taking over the world and what is inside the gadgets before you buy them, how to learn coding, automation or cyber security in an easy way? Well, exactly what we do. We are taking mind-blowing tech concepts, break them down and serve them with a side of fun. And trust me, you don't want to miss out. Here is why you should hit the subscribe button right now. No more boring complicated tech jargons. We make tech simple. First, access to instant gadgets and leaks be ahead of trend. AI, cybersecurity, space tech and coding, you name it, we cover it. Your tech questions our next video. Yes, we listen to you. Subscribe now and turn the notification bell on so that you never miss a video that could change the way you see technology. What's the coolest tech you have seen lately? Comment below. I'll just feature your idea in my next video. The future is now. The Techwikki is the gateway to it. Let's dive in.